I believe it's important to volunteer because we live as a community. We're all neighbors regardless of where you live.
I volunteered right after the tornado to help in shelters and to go out and actually help in the community.
We have a responsibility to help each other out.
This is a wonderful opportunity to help other people.
It's part of our civic duty to help this community grow.
I'm just glad to be a part of the rebuilding process.
Join the T-Town Volunteers and help us clean Tuscaloosa.
Call 311 and volunteer today.